Let's talk about the Samsung Galaxy A23 5G Total by Verizon. First, we will talk about its specifications to find out if this phone is good to buy or not. Then we will discuss the current promotions on this phone. As of my knowledge, other prepaid companies are offering this phone for a good deal if you switch from another carrier to them. But Total by Verizon is offering a really good price for new customers, which means open up a new line and get this mid-range 5G phone at a really low price. We will talk more about this later on in this video. If you are new here, then you might don't know that the Total by Verizon is offering the best plans with add-ons which you won't get with other carriers like in Metro or Boost. Free Disney Plus is one of them. So watch the entire video and compare your current carrier with this. I am sure you will be amazed. What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Total by Verizon phone comes in a red box and this box has plenty of information on it. You can read about the phone specifications and monthly plans, which makes it super easy for anyone to know about the phone and service before even buying it. Other than that, it has traditional manuals in the box and a charging cable only, no power adapter as usual. Decent size 6.6-inch Full HD display with 120Hz refresh rate. A shiny plastic body rounded from the edges, takes an external SD card as well. The overall design resembles with other Galaxy A series phones such as Samsung Galaxy A33 and A53. If you check the price of this mid-range phone online, you will see $299 almost everywhere, but not with Total by Verizon. Keep watching to find out the real price of this phone after applying promotion. The tiny space left on the edges of the screen, still it's wide enough to watch videos and play games on it. 1080p screen resolution gives crystal clear video quality and a 120Hz refresh rate keeps it running smoothly while you are multitasking, but it will take a good amount of battery power, which is okay because this one got a 5000 mAh big battery that can last up to 2 days depending on your usage. This mid-range phone is slightly cheaper than the other Galaxy A series phones, which may be due to two reasons. One of them is RAM. Snapdragon 695 5G octa-core is a decent processor, but only 4GB of RAM, which looks a little low. End user won't see the difference in regular use, but it might show the effect during heavy use. A bigger RAM increases the processing speed. Before mentioning the other downside specs of this phone, let's look at its quad camera setup. The rear camera setup is the same as the majority of the Samsung Galaxy A series phone. You will see the 3D style bumpy camera with 50 megapixels main camera, which is a good number, but other lenses are quite low. Ultra wide angle is 5 megapixels, which is an average number and not bad to fit wide images in a frame. 2 megapixels depth, 2 megapixels macro and only 8 megapixels selfie camera. So besides the 50 megapixels main camera, all other lenses are low. But if you want to go for a higher setup such as Galaxy A53 5G, then your budget will increase as well. It has a night vision camera too, but its result is not satisfying, and once you open the more option, you will see the very limited features in there. The camera setup in this phone is not bad as its built-in storage. 64GB is not a good number at this price range. Samsung could do better than this, at least 128GB. So 36% of the storage is taken by the software. As you can see, I hardly have any data in it. It means you will get very limited space for downloading apps and saving videos and taking pictures in it. It takes an external SD card too in case 64GB is not enough. Security wise, it has all options including regular and biometric. You can use a PIN, password or pattern to lock the screen, and fingerprint sensor and face recognition are also available in this phone. Now let's talk about the promotion on this phone and a brief introduction to the plans in case you don't know. The regular price of this phone is $250, but it's $50 for a new customer, but you have to choose $50 or $60 plans only. You can bring your number to the Total by Verizon or open up a new line. Price is the same, which is not the case in other prepaid carriers in the market. Plan price, activation and taxes are not included in it. And always check the current price and promotions before buying this phone because it changes frequently and can be different depending on the state you are living in. You are not only going to enjoy one of the best 5G networks in the country, but free international calls to up to 69 countries and a free Disney Plus subscription as well. If you need to know how to get the free Disney Plus and free international calls with Total by Verizon, then watch my other videos in which I explained it step by step. I will put the links in the description as well. So the $50 plan offers free Disney Plus for 6 months and free international calls up to 5 countries. But if you choose $60 plan, then you will get free Disney Plus until you keep that plan and free international calls to 69 countries. These two add-ons make the Total by Verizon different company than the others in the market. So to summarize this video and decide whether it's worth it to buy this phone or not, in my point of view, you are paying $50 for Samsung 5G smartphone which can last for at least a couple of years. Not a bad option to go. That's all for now. Give a like if this video was informative and subscribe my channel for more videos. Feel free to write down in the comment section if you have any question regarding the video, regarding the plan or phone, anything. I would love to reply on that. So till then, stay safe, take care of yourself and my channel.